We are back in Gibraltar.
So the first stop on the mountain would be the Moorish castle, but it is closed right now for restoration. Up here, there's an amazing view right before we go into the World War II tunnels. Here's some olive trees down a little bit. Now we shall go into the World War II tunnels. So the reason why there are tunnels inside of Gibraltar is because inside of World War II, this place was strategically important for the Allies as an entrance to the Mediterranean. And obviously Germans and Italians would attack because it's strategically important for the other side. And so they drilled into the side of the mountain to help for security, safety, and communications mostly. We have to get our tickets scanned to get into the real tunnels, but this is just a small taste for you right now. The problem was that the Allies waited too long to stop Germany, that they basically just took over all of Europe except for Spain, Portugal, and England. They have educational exhibits inside of this tunnel.
Dad, you might need to duck down.
Look how far it goes. So, back inside of the 1940s, this was very good for the military because it could fit 16,000 people. It had a station where you could purify water, a phone exchange, a hospital, and more. Just in case the Gibraltar fell into Axis power or enemy hands, they had the stay behind cave, where a few soldiers would live in the mountain, basically looking out and sending information back to Britain. Anyway, just in case it fell into enemy hands, they sealed it up in 1943. It was rediscovered in 1997. Obviously, all of these caves have been there for 80 or more years, but they were all open to the public together this year in January. A plane just came in on the Gibraltar airport. That's insane. We were literally walked through that like a few hours ago. It's taking off!
You can literally hear it from here. That's crazy. You can hear it from here. What?
It ended up not taking off, but that was still really cool. So from Gibraltar, you can see Africa, but obviously that's Spain over there. And then way out there is Africa. Morocco, to be specific. You can go up and down on the cable car. That's one going up. And that's one going down. Our first monkey. Yo, what's up, bro? Hello. Yo, down me up real quick. Oh, never mind. It doesn't want to.
That's a bunch of
It's eating.
That's a bunch of smashed fruit.
I think it's orange. Maybe, I don't know.
It's eating. Let's not disturb
Eating,
it.
bro. That monkey just stole from that guy. There's a bigger one coming. There's a bigger one. Oh my god, bro. chilling with the banana he stole. He just jumped from that platform right there to the tree, bro. That's insane, bro. And from now on, he's my favorite Barbary macaque because he just stole a banana right on time for you guys to watch.
Oh my god.
I love you, Barbary macaque. Oh, don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Dude, the baby.
Oh my gosh, you're
The
fine.
baby's like, wait, mama, wait. Dude, I swear if the baby jumps off, bro.
Wait.
Farted, bro. They're being swarmed, bro. Dude, oh my god, they're literally going, oh my god, they are literally surrounded. What the? Dude, from the stairs! They're surrounded! Oh my god! They're surrounded! They're surrounded, bro! They're surrounded! They're freaking surrounded! Dude, their food is cooked, bro! Dude, these monkeys are coming in for them. Okay, yeah, the monkeys say they're not interested.
I can understand.
Dude,
why
this
that-
dude's drinking. Watch him just jump in. Oh, he's like, wait, I'm being watched? Oh, shoot. Oh, well.
Ow.
Jump.
I know, but there's a baby down there, and there's two monkeys, and the baby's getting flying over. They're like going back and forth. The baby, like those two monkeys are fighting against the baby.
Dude, he had to go to the middle of the staircase. He had to go to the middle of the staircase, bro.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
These monkeys aren't scared. Oh my god. Another monkey. Higher altitude monkey.
I'm in
Gibraltar,
Africa.
Spain,
Porky.
Africa.
We're about to go into the cave. Ah, creepy music. Perfect. Yeah! Long ago, the Greeks thought that this was a entrance to the underworld. The stalactites and stalagmites created something that looks like an angel.
So we are getting very close to the top of the mountain. Over here, we have the sea side, like the Mediterranean or whatever before is before the Mediterranean. And we have the top of the mountain very close now up there. You're almost there, and then there's Gibraltar. And there's Spain and the Atlantic. And there's the Strait of Gibraltar, and there is Morocco in Africa. Right across there. Pretty amazing.
Moroccan town.
Go away from that food. They're
It isn't food, bro.
You can't eat with that spork. I want the spork back. Nothing in there, friend. You don't want the lid. He wants the granola bar.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
That was amazing.
That monkey just stole that from us.
Now we are taking a bus back to the border. We are now getting our passports stamped to leave back to Spain. Dude, the baby.
Oh my gosh, you're baby's sweet mama, wait.
Dude, it's where the baby jumps off, bro.
Wait.